honest truth. Yeah. But those ones aren't with me.
Rip the flesh from their bones and bring me the key.
Here's yours.
Guys, we got company!
Watch, protect the key. Impossible. I enjoy that look of confusion when an inferior being meets a higher power.
What the hell are those things? Are you okay?
Hey, don't follow me.
I'm not following you. I'm just escaping in the same direction. You really think this key came in Peru?
I think so. The evidence lines up.
If it is, we get our hands on it, and we gotta destroy it.
What?
We can't unite the key without both pieces. No key, no Unicron, no Earth getting eaten.
Yeah, but then they can't get home.
We gotta think about us.
Wow, Wheeljack needs to fix that power steering. Sorry I'm late. I was taking in a hormone. Such strength, really easy. Oh yeah, Papa, where you from? Cybertron. So where'd you get that accent? Accent? What accent? You know what I'm saying? I'm saying it's cool. Speak Spanish too, because then.
How? Just holler.
Oh man, you're tailing us.
Fall asleep.
It's okay. I know my hands got you sleepy.
How do we choose?